All right. Just want to do a quick review of some word problems for the people at home today. So I'm just going to go over these two problems quick. A snack bar sells two sizes of snack packs. There are large snack packs and there are small snack packs. I'm going to call the large ones L, the small ones S, and they give us a price for each one. So it's $5 for the large, so 5L, plus it's $3 for the small, so 3S. In one day, the snack bar sold 60 snack packs, so the large and small together was equal to 60. They sold a certain number of each of them to equal 60. And it cost $220. So this equation right here is price, cost, and this one is number of items. So I have two equations here, and I have my system. $5 per large pack, $3 per small pack, and I should get some total of $220. Based on how many items I sell, I'm selling a certain number of large and small, and they combine to be 60 total. So to solve this, they're both in standard form. I would probably do elimination. I would multiply this by 3, so then I could cancel out my S's. You could have also multiplied by 5 and canceled out the L's, up to you. So I'm just going to rewrite my top equation, and below it, I'm going to do this multiplication. So 3 times L is 3L, 3 times S is 3S, and 3 times 60 is going to give me 180. Now they're the same sign, 3 and 3, so I'm going to subtract down. So those will cancel. 5 minus 3 gives me 2L. 220 minus 180 is going to give me 40. I'll divide by 2 on both sides to solve for L, and I will get 20. 40 divided by 2 is 20. My last step here to find out how many of each snack pack did they sell. So right now I can answer that they sold 20 large snack packs and blank small snack packs. I'm not sure how many small yet. I've got to take this 20 and plug it into one of my equations to solve. So I'll use the first equation. 5L plus 3S equals 220. So 5 times 20, I'm plugging that 20 in for L. 5 times 20 gives me 100. I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. 3S equals 120. And if I divide by 3 from 120, I get 40. So they sold 20 large snack packs and 40 small snack packs. Okay. This next problem, we're talking about video games. You may pay $22 to rent 6 video games. The store charges $4 for new games, $2 for old games. So our variables here are new games and old games. So N is going to be new games. O is going to be old games. How many new games did you rent? So that they only care about the new ones. That's all they really want to know. So old games and new games combined, okay, we rented 6 games. So old and new combined, they rented 6. It's $4 for a new one. I'll put that underneath the new. It's $4 for the new one, $2 for the old one, and those prices combined, it costs $22. So $2 for an old, $4 for a new, $20. Now don't mistake this for a 0. That can be a little tough. but it's O for older games. So if that confuses you, you could change the variable to an X or something like that. So in order for me to do this problem, I'd probably eliminate. So just to reiterate, this is the number of games, this equation, and this is price. This is cost. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2 so I can cancel out the O's. Okay. So I end up with 2 times O, so that's 2O. 2 times N is 2N, and 2 times 6 is going to equal 12. So I have the same sign here, 2 and 2, so I'm going to subtract down. Those cancel. I have 2 minus 4 is negative 2n, and 12 minus 20 is going to give me negative 8. And then I'll divide by negative 2 on both sides to get n by itself. So n is going to be a positive 4. Now, if I look at my original equations, I had O plus N should equal 6. So if I plug in 4 for N, I will subtract 4 from both sides and realize that there must have been 2 old games. So how many new games did we rent? They rented 4 new games and 2 old. That's my final answer. All right, so that's just a quick refresher on word problems. Good luck today. I'm sure you'll do great. And reach out if you have any questions.